me, Xander. Welcome back to my uncle's YouTube channel. Here we go. And then we're gonna drop the Mentos into the Coke. The first one we're gonna do is the Coca-Cola. The second one is the Diet Coke, and the third one is the Coke Zero.
And what are we doing? What are we testing for?
And what we are testing is that it's gonna go up into the air.
Okay.
Okay? Ready? 3, 2, 1. See, it worked. First one is that it erupts so high, like this high, above the Coke.
Okay.
All right, now let's see the second one.
Which one are you doing on the second one?
We're gonna do 2 Mentos, and it's gonna be the Coke Zero. Watch this. What happened with the second one was that it was super high. That it was more good than the Coca-Cola, the first one you did. Now let's try the third one. In 3, 2, 1. See? That one went super high, like this high. See? That's what happened to the third one.
Okay.
Comment below, which one do you think was the best? The Coca-Cola, the Diet Coke, and the Coke Zero. And please, don't forget to like and subscribe to my uncle's channel. See? That one went super hot, like this hot.